glitter that I used for my eyes is from Urban Decay, and it is called Saturday Stardust. It's just like a chunky purple glitter, and I just put, you know, some purple eyeshadow on my crease. And the costume, I got it at Halloween Club. I believe I got it like 2 years ago. That's why the packaging is like ripped. And it also comes with this, so it looks super cute. And this is what it's called, Wild Cat. I went this year to Halloween Club and they still have it, so if you're interested, go to Halloween Club. They still have this costume, and it was, I don't remember the price. I'm not even gonna put a number out there because I don't even remember. But yeah, hopefully you guys have been enjoying like my Halloween looks. I know that they're like super basic and easy, but that's pretty much all I can do because I am not creative at all, and I'm not even gonna try because that's just gonna be a fail. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So this is how they look. You just obviously put on your shoes and it all comes together. This gives me like Mean Girl vibes. I will show you guys the back, but literally everything is showing.
Bebés que les gusta la parranda, acompañados de mujeres muy hermosas.